Submachine boss, who him did move in at the house when him wife run away, and why him wife did run away. What she see that was so traumatizing that she ran away.
May I represent for one Media Fox. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock.
Foota hype and bounty killer for what? There's so much things about them only need to ask. Ask Submarine Man why him brother kill himself. Ask Muffler Man what him do make him brother kill himself. Ask Submarine Boss why him brother kill himself. That ever ask him. Ask Submachine Boss who him did move in at the house when him wife run away, and why him wife did run away. What she see that was so traumatizing that she ran away. And ask Submarine Boss when him wife did missing, who him move in at the house and is not a woman. Why on the thing say Submarine wife run away, and when she run away, him ball and go up on public platform and say he can't find her and he want to find her. She never lost, you know. She just lost to him. Because she run away and say she can't take it no more, she got to tell the world everything. That's when come out a ball and hunt her down. You don't hear him talk already, say about 4 or 5 years he might fight for left his wife and can't left her. You don't know why? He want to keep her because he don't want she talk the secret them. Because of the things them what she see and know. Some man we used to do with woman long and them not agree and then can't left. Don't think I love. Don't think I love. And I love. And the secret them, she better watch him because he want to kill her. I kill him and kill her. Big up the Gambia people, them Africa people. You see me? I them think that them fi come talk on the podcast. Zine, I don't even know which page this, but I have to pin the comment about her. And even me I say this look good. Want to see that pin there? Want to see that comment the pin? Watch this. Yo, pin comment. See them say Konshens wife lucky cause he's a man or mate. Yo. People, I don't understand why when some man know them closet dirty, you know fool them man a fool. Cause you know them say them are gonna do this to sell off the podcast. Bro, it don't make sense to get that attention here and then it cripple your whole fan base, your brand, everything. Cause you know things that if you cripple your brand. Why would you ramp with me? Why would you ramp with me? Jabba! People see Jabba them, remember Jabba them not to use me, but you can't say me never hear them something about Jabba yet. Enough girl me know Jabba deal with them, I never hear no eating thing from Jabba name. Nah, no shaky business man Java name. Them just say Java no drop catch them money to spend money on girl like that. Girl get a little thing when the relationship young. After that, so cocky them I get no money. So big up Java. You understand? Yeah. So I not like Java. I rather girl say me mean than say me lean. I not depend that. Yeah. People make a tell you God truth. See? Me not like do them thing, you know. I'm good at it, but me not like do it. Cause here, me know them have fitness to feed and them have family. And I want to say this, and I say this from my heart. Because I'm a youth who truthful and me keep it real. I want to big up Submarine mother. You see mother, she watch Foota Hype program them and she rate Foota Hype on YouTube. Now me know say she could have disgusted because she don't know which child to choose. And she can most definitely choose her son, you see me? So I want to say on behalf of Straight Nation, Mummy, I know your side of the blood him get it from. Probably on father's side. Don't blame yourself. Don't say you do it, and you. Him a just crosses. And I'm gonna take it from him father's side. Cause him father a soldier. I did soldier up at camp. And you know them soldier something they go. And them camp out something they go, you understand? So big up mommy. Big up mommy sub. I still respect you. I still love you. I still honor you as a mother. And I still give thanks that you watch me thing them and rate me. But I don't know if you say your son or your daughter now, because he might play two roles. But don't blame yourself. Don't say what kind of fitness me bring into the world. You bring the right fitness into the world and him take the wrong side of the DNA. You understand? Yeah. Probably from the soldier side and on your side. You hear that? So mommy, so big up yourself. I respect you. Honors and love and manners. I'm sorry say me have to do this. I just say it on behalf of you. I don't really care about the rest of nobody. And you, me rate. Big up mommy sub. Remember when you see me, you show me love and you say, yes, Foota, I burn the fire, beat them. And you're glad how me deal with the internet. But me and you never did know, say. We never did know, say, Submarine boss, your son, would have become a rascal muffler boy. Mighty God. Yeah, so I would have never disrespect your mommy. And I know it feel away. You could have shame now and say, you wish if your home did tear out and him never come, but you can't blame it, man. You do the right thing. You do the right thing. And them turn off, you see me? If you just go out into the sun, mommy, when the sun come out, you go out into the sun and hold up your breast in the sky, zine, and just say, God, forgive me. The son that you gave me here, that should be laying pipe, is taking the pipe. God, just hold up your breast and say, God, take this son that turned daughter, remove him out of my presence, and hold your breast nipple in the sky, and ball and make one drop of your eye water drop on your breast nipple, and all problem done. All problem done for you do that. All problems solved. No, his mother is not a person like that who come from it. She's a decent lady. Don't get me wrong. I would never style her. I would never disrespect her. When she see me a real love, she show me. and tell me about my life them and everything. And she love how me burn the fire. Submarine boss, mother straight. Me not ask Christ about that. Me not ask Christ. Me not ask Christ. Him mother straight. And she rate. Let me block you. Cause every time you come over here, type that name there over here. You not get the clout over here. To that name there. We not talk about people when are paying the Jews in our business, irrelevant idiot. So now come over here, come type that name there. All a black. No free promo him now get over here, sir. Yeah, mommy sub she name. Cause remember, him a submarine. So a mommy sub, you notice me not call her mommy submarine. Me just say mommy sub. Shorten it. Cause she straight. But him, a submarine, him got deep salt water. Deep, deep, deep salt water. Here people. Cause sometimes we can't. Uno ask submarine. Next time him go live. I want to go in our comment section. I ask him, who is the male flight attendant who work as Spirit? We give him blowjob 3 different times. Not the same day, you know. 3 different occasions. Just ask submarine that. Wanna go in him DM, go in a comment section and ask him, say, who is the male flight attendant for Spirit where give him blowjob 3 times on 3 different days, 3 different occasions, 3 different locations. That more I wanna ask him. Tell him answer that. And tell him if he come sue me for that. Not 1 time, not 2 times, but 3 times. 3 different occasions, 3 different places. Tell him to answer on a question from life about that. Ask him about that. Want him to talk about that. Don't talk about Foota hype. Don't talk about bun ticket. Talk about that. Check my DM. How me check DM? I can't check it now. Hold on. See it, somebody else send me DM now while me there on live. How me check DM while me there on live? I can't check it. Come would have to come out of this. Let me see. No. Can't check it DM till me done. Submarine in a trouble. Blood clots. Somebody send something else in my DM. Submarine, why you do it? Why the fuck you trouble me, bro? Why? Why? Why you do it? God. My advice to people with the shaky things and nasty things, do not interfere with Foota hype. Because the things them want the things that me don't know, me actually know and not say nothing. Me don't like to crush people career and do them these things. People me know say whole heap of them gone. And no uncle such man and no uncle submarine. You have some of them we are wear locks. You have some of them we are wear locks. We say them a rasta, act like them a rasta, and them eat front and tear off girl back door hard. Zin? But me no business to come do that. If them ramp with me, they shall get it. You have enough artists and selector where a tear off girl back door. Some of them a man a tear them back door and beat it. It's not one or two of them, you know, or three of them, you know, or whole heap of them. But I am saying, if them know within themselves, don't say you got test Foota if you know if Foota know something. Zin? Bonus, I'm going to check the DM and come back. Yeah. Father God, why him do it? Why him trouble me? Why? Why this youth as a fool? You know, so wicked. Because someone over here are submarine fans too, you know. And you see, when I say run, go check the DM and come kill him. Check my WhatsApp. Well, I'm check your WhatsApp and come back. Mighty God. Oh, God. People, have a good evening here. Me on the link Tuesday, see? Tuesday, our song review day. We're gonna continue this Tuesday.